Hey, you guys, Jim, after the market close, I'm going to make this real quick. So everything looked great today. After hours, we did move up into this vibration level. We have all this optimistic outlook for next week. This is the 25 tick after hours. It traded up to $50.30. You can see it's trading live right now, 49.71 at 2:51 p.m. my time on June 11th. Here's something that's even more encouraging about next week. So here's Anemoi. Again, do not subscribe to Anemoi, you guys, please. We're not ready. We still have a few things to do to get ready for you guys. I'm going to give you guys all a free month, no cost subscription for the entire platform, but it's going to be about 2 weeks from now. It just, I don't want to have the same thing happen that just happened with this new website that we rolled out for BAM because, 500 support tickets yesterday just brutalized these guys who are trying to work as fast as they can behind the scenes. So let's hold off on that. Anyway, you can see that price moved above the hourly trigger. You can see that the bot went into the weekend long. But even more encouraging, I'm going to show you guys the predicted velocity for the first hour of trading on Monday. So there it is. You see that spike? So our last half hour of trading today, we were running at call it an 8-cent velocity, 0.078. And then for the first hour on Monday, we're at a 12 cents. So really nice percentage increase. And as I said, the bot's long. Everything about this looks really nice. You can see in our big 10-day chart that you have this big consolidation period. I believe this is, this idea I told you about, this sort of A, B, C, D, E, with a big nasty throw over there on the E wave, which spooks a lot of people out. This is where we were in there buying yesterday, or the bot was. I'm sorry, the BAM was. I'm sorry, you guys. Long week. But you can see here, this is just a view of what we got going on up there. So everything looks great. If I am right about this whole thing, basically, if the model is right about this whole thing, we're going to be able to retest that 54.90 level, and then on Monday, and then move back above the all-time high, sometime between the 18th and the 28th, I would say, something like that. And if we got there quicker, all the better. But I'm going to start being a little more conservative. I can tell there have been people really gambling based on some of my zones of strength and my price targets. Really gambling. And those are the people who have canceled and gotten mad at me personally and that kind of thing. So I'm going to try my best to scale back. You guys have to remember, I've been speaking like exact truth to large, sophisticated portfolio managers and funds for a long time. And so, I know that they know how to either take as much risk as they want or as little risk as they want. So I never, candy coated anything. I tell them exactly what this thing thought on the downside, the upside, and it was up to them to trade or invest responsibly. I'm learning really quickly that this group, there are going to be a few people that go a little bit too crazy on the risk side if I'm not super careful about my words. So I'll try my best, but remember, this is literally like me learning how to re-speak a language after 15 years of speaking a certain way. So bear with me on that. All right, you guys, more in-depth report for the weekend update coming, but great week. I think hopefully everybody survived that sort of really negative period, and that things are going to look really good in the weeks ahead.